smells good. Kashina to a medal.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be making cookies. So I saw Emma Goodies, a YouTuber on YouTube that makes delicious pastries. So I saw one of her simple, easy 3-ingredient recipes, which was some small mini cookies, which I thought was cute. And since we're in the season where a lot of baking is going on, why not? This is my niche, this is what I love to do, a part of it. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So we're going to start off by using, well, my cousin's going to go for the butter because you need the butter, flour, and condensed milk. So it's supposed to be soft. So this is going to use to grease the pan. So I'm just kind of like breaking it up with my whisk, and then I'm going to pour out. Everything is already measured. So I'm going to use my condensed milk. I hold the pan like this though. Use the condensed milk. I don't think I'm going to use everything because I felt like I measured it wrong because my scale keeps giving me trouble and I'm not here for it. So I'm going to use about that amount and just leave back. So just going to whisk all of this together to form a paste. It smells good. Kashina to a medal. I want to short, I want her to get into the baking side of things. See that? Ooh, see that? Creamy. So she said basically the condensed milk act as a binder, meaning instead of eggs she substitute like it for condensed milk, which is a very brilliant idea. I didn't know that could work. So yeah, looks so smooth. Want to ensure all the butter is well incorporated with the condensed milk. So here it is, smooth, looking good. I'm sorry if you're hearing the background noise, those are my family members. I don't know what they're talking about, but yeah. So last but not least, my flour. It's supposed to be all-purpose flour, but I prefer cake and pastry flour here in Jamaica. So I already weighed it.
Just going to add it to my mixture.
And I'm going to use my spatula to take my time now and incorporate it all together. Tash, it's so easy, right?
Yeah.
Don't know if you guys are getting a good view of what's going on, but basically I'm just going to fold in my flour into the butter and condensed milk mixture. So I'm going to link Emma Goodies page, of course, because I can't take credit for something I didn't do. So it's going to be down in the description box. Try it out, guys. It's so easy. It is delicious because I tried it recently, I think last month, and it turned out so good. So good. Like nice sugar cookies. You can try this with the kids, anybody that's into pastries, or with your spouse, anybody you want to do it with. It's very fun, you know. This is a Christmas idea for you and your family. So I think I need to stand up for this part. So basically it's looking like a paste, which is what we're looking for. I'm not going to mix it for too long. Ensure everything. See how smooth that is. So now, oh my bad. Actually, I couldn't remember my vanilla. Forgot my vanilla. supposed to be a teaspoon, but I don't know how strong this is because it's a new vanilla that I purchased. So I'm just going to use like a little bit of the cork. Yeah. Never too late to add your vanilla. Still gonna incorporate it. we have it. So what I'm going to do now is put it into a piping bag, well, my Ziploc bag, because my piping bag is finished. So I'm going to pipe them out into my cake container, because I'm going to do it in a toaster oven, since my oven not go on that right now. But basically I'm going to do it in the toaster oven. So the reason why I'm using a baking tin instead of my usual cookie sheets, the baking tin that I have is 6-inch, which is the only baking pan that can be fitted in the toaster oven and nothing else can fit. So please excuse that if you see it looking unusual, but it worked. And see how it turns out, so stay tuned. So now I am piping out my cookie dough. Because of the consistency, it is a bit tricky to get the dough onto the pan, especially since I'm not using the correct equipment to make it go easier for me. But the show must go on. So I just take my fingers to get the dough out of the bag. When I get the desired size cookies I want, then press down my cookies to get the round mini cookies shape, as seen by Emma's video. But because they were so small and the round cake tin pan I was using, the process was lengthy. I am not going to lie, to the point I was not feeling well, but I got better later on and still got them done. So for the topping I used sprinkles and crushed Oreos, and I also created my own flavor, which was Oreo cookie dough, by mixing a small portion of the dough with some crushed Oreos just to test it out, and they were delicious. That's why you're seeing some of them looking a bit different from the original. And I didn't have any rainbow sprinkles, so I substitute it for some chocolate sprinkles, which still turned out great and yummy. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. These are the cookies. So I did some ones with Oreos in them. I could just crush some Oreos and add it into the mixture, nothing to it. And that's why some of them look so brown. And then the white ones are regular vanilla flavored ones. You can try these are very fun. Remember, the description is down in the link, is down in the description box if you want to try this recipe out.